Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This lovely bungalow house is located on Daniella Drive in the quiet Unity Hall community. The house comprises of 5 spacious bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a foyer, and a spacious living room, kitchen and dining. The house rests on approximately half acre of land and is fully grilled with security bars. A double garage is also built but is incomplete. The property is ideal for family or for investment with plenty of yard space for entertaining and also expansion. Unity Hall is centrally located and is close to the popular Fairview Shopping Center with its restaurants, clothing stores, medical centers, pharmacies, supermarkets, etc. It is also approximately 50 minutes from Harmony Park Beach and Doctor's Cave Beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is US 400,000 or Jamaican $61.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.